Welcome back to the Mid-Year YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're checking out my friend's really cool 63 split window, 340 horse Survivor. So be sure to stick around. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel. So this car is a California car. It's the original color combination, white with a red interior. It's never been off the frame. The engine and trans have never been out of the car, so it's mostly a Survivor. It's been repainted. It's a no-hit body. All the chrome and trim are all original. The stainless has never been off the car. It's a really solid car, super straight. All the gaps look really nice on it. All the lines are nice and crisp on the whole car. So this 63 is a two-time NCRS top flight winner. The car has spent a majority of its life in California. It has a really nice frame on it. Doesn't have a single pit on it. There's no rust. Everything on the car works. It's just a really, really nice original car that you can get in and drive and go anywhere. So inside the car, the interior's almost completely original. The door panels and everything are all original. The only thing that's been done is the carpet. The seats are nice. They don't have any tears or anything. It still has the original Irving 5000 seat belts in it with the date-coded material on them. So the big font, Irving 5000. So it is a 340 4-speed. So it has the AM/FM radio. The clock's over here ticking away. So this is a two-time NCRS top flight car, a regional and a chapter event. But you can see it's just really nice and original in here. Presents really, really well. The jack and handle are still in there. We can see all the vinyl around the back window looks nice. All the trim looks nice. Everything's really clean. You can see that the mirror's date coated. All the glass and everything looks like it's got the right date codes on it. Everything just fits really nice. This is a really nice stand-up car. Everything works on the car like it should. The glove box is even in really nice shape. Console looks pretty nice. Just a nice running and driving car. So under the hood, everything's very original. It still has the old 340 decals on the valve covers. It's got all the right hoses on it. Has the right date-coded radiator. Has the right alternator, expansion tank. It's got the right master cylinder, horns are correct, steering box. Got the paint markings on it. So everything looks really nice under here. It's got the hood alignment blocks. Got all the ignition shielding on it. So this is a really, really nice car. Hood grills look like they're in good shape. Everything presents itself really well. Everything's in really nice shape. Just nice original shape. So if you're interested in buying the white split window, I have some information down below in the description that you can get in contact with the buyer. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I thought it was a really cool car to document and to talk about, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I have a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later. I decided to take this opportunity to put these two cars side by side. Just how often do you have the opportunity to put two really nice split windows next to each other? So the red car is fully restored, top to bottom, while the white car is more of a survivor. It's really cool to see them side by side.
Chewing on a piece of grass, walking down the road. Tell me, how long you gonna stay here, Joe? Some people say this town don't look good in the snow. You don't care, I know. Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine. You're gonna go, I know. Cause the free wind is blowing through your hair, and the days surround your daylight there. Seasons crying, no despair. Alligator lizards in the air, in the air. Wishing on a falling star, waiting for the early train. Sorry boy, but I've been hit by purple rain. Oh, come on Joe, you can always change your name. Thanks a lot son, just the same. Ventura